How many of you are aware of this structured, semi-structured, and unstructured source systems? So in the data itself, we can see something like a structured information. I will also showcase to you how the backend data will be looks like, how the semi-structured information will be looks like, and unstructured information. So if you're observing, structured information is something like example. If you can ask me example, I have opened one of the Excel file here. If you're observing this financial sample test file, and you can see the number of columns are visible to me and row by row records, how the data looks like. So this information is going to be an structured information, like a country, product, discount band. These are all easily to identify, and we can try to pull this information also into the application. Maybe if you can start working on the BI side. Let me showcase you one more example. And I'm expecting from you how this data looks like. Is this data, if you're observing the another Excel file spreadsheet, how it looks like to you? Like maybe the first column itself, you have identified some blank information. Maybe you can see some years from 2005 to 2013, and some blank after the C column and D column as well. Some null information is there. How this data looks like to you? Is that a structured way or semi-structured way?
Semi-structured.
Semi-structure. So the data is anything, like maybe if it is a completely unstructured, like example, one more example I'm just trying to showcase to you here. Please observe how this data looks like. Maybe from this data set, if you're observing, that is the text file format, I need to pull only the email IDs. So there is some in between, some email IDs are there. You are observing here. You are observing here, some email IDs are there. I want to fetch only email IDs from this kind of a source system, like it's a text source system. How this looks like? It's completely unstructured. Example, it is one of the unstructured source system. We need to bring and we need to cleanse the data first of all, and try to bring those email IDs into the proper way, like easily understandable way, just like what I have showcased to you the first structured information. Coming to the data part, it is not always we are going to extract in real-time concepts part in a structured manner, whether the data should be semi-structured or sometimes the data should be unstructured too. Like example, I have showcased the text file. Maybe you can try to extract some JSON file extractions too in real time. JSON files, which is completely unstructured. This is one of the example for unstructured source system where you are going to pull only email IDs, not anything. We are require only email IDs. So these kind of a cleansing operations we are going to perform via BI application. That is Power BI, which we are going to work it on going forward. Okay. So I have projected 3 things here, like examples as well, what kind of a file source systems are there, like example SQL. If you're trying to extract the data from an on-premises SQL server, it's going to be in completely structured, or CSV or XLS files. I just showcased to you. It's a completely spreadsheet. Semi-structured information is like, as I said, JSON, XML, AVRU. And we will try to pull this information also into this application.